Alright, so let's get into it. The item that I'm unboxing today is straight from Apple. Bought it today. The price out the door, it was listed at $16.99 with a total tax of 8.52% for $144.70 for a grand total of $1,843.70. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi and cellular, 1 terabyte, and I got it in space gray. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so we'll start with the back. It includes iPad Pro 11-inch USB-C charge cable and USB-C power adapter. Supports GSM, UMTS, and LTE cellular technologies. Some capabilities are not available in all areas depending on your wireless plan and service provider network. For LTE, see apple.com/iPad/LTE. Additional information at apple.com/iPad/compare. This is model MU202LL/A. iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi cellular 1 terabyte space gray. And the main difference between the 1 terabyte version of the iPad Pro 11-inch and other versions such as the 512 and the 256 is that in the 1 terabyte version there's actually 6 gigs of RAM. The rest of them only have 4. So, little known fact, if you need more processing power for whatever reason on an iPad, oh boy, allergies. So right now I'm cutting out the back film strip. It's filmed the whole way around, but I'm just cutting the back piece off. Show them OCD. There she is. Put this in the bag. There she is. Nice matte finish, beautiful design. iPad Pro. Of course, every box from Apple feels about the same. It's a nice, sturdy box. Nice semi-gloss finish. Alright, we open the box. iPad is covered. It's a nice cover. It's pretty standard. It's most Apple products. It's got a nice camera on the back. It is not flush, it is a beveled camera. See if you guys can get clear on that. So there's a camera. So I got space gray. So notice the 3 dots down here. I believe that is for docking it. Designed by Apple in California, model A2013, assembled in China. And it has a serial number on there. So this iPad kind of resembles the iPhone 5, if you remember that. It's got the air holes in the back. It's got that square design rather than a rounded design, which is pretty neat. Again, the charger is USB-C. Let's see if it focuses on that. No. But yeah, it's a USB-C charger opposed to the lightning cable. Got the two microphone ports on the top. It's got the FaceTime camera in the front, and of course, back camera. So I'm gonna set this aside for now. See what accessories come with it. Designed by Apple in California. Comes with the user pamphlet, iPad Pro. Tells you how to turn it off and turn it on, and about the smart connector. So smart keyboard, folio, or accessories to iPad Pro. That's what those dots on the back are for. Alright. Next we have the charger block, which is a little heftier than what you're used to seeing for iPads and iPhones. It's a USB-C type. As well as the cable for the USB-C type charger. This will also be your sync cable. All of Apple's products have discontinued USB 3.0 and have adopted the USB-C standard. So you'll see this port on all of your MacBooks from now on until another technology comes out. This will, 1, power, and 2, give data transfer abilities to your port. So there's those. Underneath is probably nothing. That's usually how they do it. Have it beveled a couple places for the accessories and user guide, and then the product. Underneath is hollow. So there's that. Now let's get into turning this guy on. So there's a little SIM card slot right here, as this is the cellular version. Let's go and turn her on. Apple logo appears. Next, looks like it comes charged, pre-charged at 90%. Not bad. It's got a nice feel to it. Not too light. It's a good weight. Like I said, kind of reminiscent of the iPhone 5 when it came out. Let's see. Set this up. So I'll go ahead and set this up real quick. Looks like we've got, you know what, easiest way for that, I'll just connect to my hotspot. Siri. Swipe up to get started with the iPad. Here she is. Beautiful home screen. I'm going to assume that it's very similar to the iPhone 10, since the iOS on here should be 12. Let's check what it comes with. Let's see, it comes with version 12.1.1 is what it comes with out of the box. Okay. Now the regular settings, 12.1.1. Let's take a look at these specs. iPad storage, here it is. 12 gigs of 1.02 terabytes used. Look at that. Look at that. That is insane. That is insane. That's crazy. It's like no room taken on this for the OS and the apps, messages, things like that. No idea who would need a terabyte worth of storage, but here it is. It's got Find iPhone, Photo Booth, Clips, GarageBand, Keynotes, Numbers, iTunes, all the same stuff that gets loaded onto your iPad or iPhone, your Apple devices without your consent. That just takes up space, but it is what it is. So here she is. Yep. There's the unboxing for the iPad 11-inch iPad Pro